64.
64.
64.
Négation 1.
Negation 1.
Negation 1.
Je ne comprends pas le mot.
I don't understand the word.
I don't understand the word.
Je ne comprends pas la phrase.
I don't understand the sentence.
I don't understand the sentence.
Je ne comprends pas le sens.
I don't understand the meaning.
I don't understand the meaning.
L'instituteur.
The teacher.
The teacher.
Comprenez-vous l'instituteur?
Do you understand the teacher?
Do you understand the teacher?
Oui, je le comprends bien.
Yes, I understand him well.
Yes, I understand him well.
L'institutrice.
The teacher.
The teacher.
Est-ce que vous comprenez l'institutrice?
Do you understand the teacher?
Do you understand the teacher?
Oui, je la comprends bien.
Yes, I understand her well.
Yes, I understand her well.
Les gens.
The people.
The people.
Est-ce que vous comprenez les gens?
Do you understand the people?
Do you understand the people?
Non, je ne les comprends pas très bien.
No, I don't understand them so well.
No, I don't understand them so well.
L'ami.
The girlfriend.
The girlfriend.
Avez-vous une amie?
Do you have a girlfriend?
Do you have a girlfriend?
Oui, j'en ai.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
La fille.
The daughter.
The daughter.
Avez-vous une fille?
Do you have a daughter?
Do you have a daughter?
Non, je n'en ai pas.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.